Now friends, today in this video on Kubla Khan, I will give you facts related to the MCQ question answers. I will give you direct answer without options. Please watch the first video on Kubla Khan and after that watch this video. This is the second video. Let's start. Today I am starting from number 40. The final image of Kubla Khan is that of the what? The answer is the final image of Kubla Khan is the damsel absorbed in her music. This is the final image in Kubla Khan. We can see a damsel absorbed in her music. Number 41. River Alf in Antarctica mentioned in Kubla Khan is fictional and represents what? The answer is the river Alp in Antarctica represents the power, force, and excitement of the natural world. It also represents movement. Number 42. Once the poet saw in a vision an Abyssinian girl, that is damsel, is with what? The girl was with what? The answer is a dulcimer. The girl was with a dulcimer. She was absorbed in her song. Next, number 43. Mid the tumult, Kubla heard what? The answer is ancestral voice prophesying war. The full information is mid the tumult, Kubla heard the ancestral voice prophesying war. Next, number 44. What is the miracle of a rare device? The answer is shadow of the dome floated on the waves and its music could be heard from the fountain and the caves. This shadow, this music heard from the fountain and the caves, all these are the miracle of rare device. Number 45. Damsel with dulcimer is the symbol of what? The answer is poetic muse. Damsel with dulcimer, this is the symbol of poetic muse. Next, number 46. Alf recalls the ancient myth of river elfins that sink into ground and emerges as what? As what? The answer is emerges as the fountain Arethosa. Arethosa. This may symbolize death and rebirth. Number 47. Nectar is what? What is nectar? The answer is nectar is a type of magical drink. Next, number 48. In which line from Kubla Khan is alliteration the dominant sound devised? The answer is a savage place as holy and enchanted. This is the line where alliteration the dominant sound devised. Number 49. Which sentence states an important theme of Kubla Khan? The answer is music calms the savage beast. This is the line music calms the savage beast. This line states an important theme of the poem. Next, number 51. Which other poems does Coleridge write around this time? Which other poems are those that Coleridge wrote in the same time of this poem? The answer is Christabel and The Rime of the Ancient Mariner. Next, number 52. What is Kubla Khan's subtitle? What is the subtitle of this poem? The answer is A vision in a dream, a fragment. Next, 53. Which famous figure was Kubla Khan's grandfather? What was the name of Kubla Khan's grandfather? The answer is Genghis Khan. Number 54. The dash is deep and romantic and holy and enchanted. The answer is chasm or chasm. The chasm is deep and romantic and holy and enchanted. Number 55. The dash erupts from the chasm in the form of a fountain. The answer is sacred river. The sacred river erupts from the chasm in the form of a fountain. Next, 56. Chasm erupts in tumult and disrupts the orderliness of the dash. The answer is garden. The chasm erupts in tumult and disrupts the orderliness of the garden. Next, 57. The river symbolizes the source of dash or creative dash. The answer is inspiration and life force. The total information is the river symbolizes the source of inspiration or creative life force. Next, 58. How does the poem begins? The answer is the poem begins like the sounding of a fairy tale, extolling natural beauty, the beauty of Xanadu. Number 59. What is the name of this beautiful palace? The answer is Pleasure Dome. Number 60. What was measureless to man? The answer is caverns. The caverns was plentiful down as far as a sunless sea. Number 61. How many miles was there of fertile ground? The answer is 10 miles. 5 miles of each sides. That means 5 plus 5 is equal to 10 miles. 62. What was the Pleasure Dome protected by? The answer is tower walls. The Pleasure Dome was protected by tower walls. Number 63. What features of romanticism are most prominent in this poem? The answer is imaginative spontaneity, capacity of wonder, supernaturalism, and exploration of nature. All these are the romantic elements. These elements are pervading in this poem. Next, 64. Where is the main shifts or shiftses found in the poem? The answer is in the third and last stanza. That means in the third and last stanza, there is a shift of tune. There is a turn of tune, change of the tune or voice we can find in the poem. Number 65. What other romantic poets did Coleridge associated with? The answer is Robert Southey, William Wordsworth, and Lord Byron. Number 66. How did the public receive the poem? The answer is the public received the poem unfavorably because the poem did not make sense to the average person. Number 67. How is the world outside of Kubla Khan's palace described? The answer is the world outside of Kubla Khan's palace was expansive, empty and without life, without soul or beauty. It was chaotic. Number 68. Who was Kubla Khan? The answer is a Mongolian emperor. Number 69. The pleasure dome exists where? The answer is the pleasure dome exists on land, completely surrounded by walls and towers. Next, number 70. It was a miracle of dash. The answer is rare device. It was a miracle of rare device. Number 71. In Kubla Khan, the sacred river flows into what? The answer is it flows into a sea. That means the sacred river flows into a sea. 72. What is unusual about the sacred river Alp? What is unusual about the river Alp? The answer is it goes underground. Number 73. The speaker believes that if he could revive within him the Abyssinian maid's song, he would be capable of what? The answer is he would be capable of recreating the pleasure dome. 74. The speaker's vision suddenly changes with the image of the dash. Image of what? The answer is the speaker's vision suddenly changes with the image of a damsel with the dulcimer, and she was an Abyssinian maid. Number 75. Huge fragments and chaffy grain. Huge fragments and chaffy grain. All these being propelled from where? The answer is from a mighty fountain. Number 76. Paradox is used to reinforce the idea of Kubla Khan's power over the imagination and godlike status, and is also used to portray the miracle of his creation of what? The answer is the creation of a sunny pleasure dome with caves of ice. Number 77. A traveler asked the poet for directions, and much of the vision's imaginations were lost. Where was this anonymous but legendary traveler from? This traveler came and asked about the road or directions, and poet was disturbed. And this legendary traveler was from Porlock. To this day, to Porlock, someone is to interrupt him. Number 78. And what mountain did the maid sing of? The name of the mountain is Abora. The line in the poem is Singing of Mount Abora. This Mount Abora is a mountain in Ethiopia, which was once Abyssinia. The former name of Ethiopia was Abyssinia. Number 79. The damsel's song is an dash. The answer is artistic creation. The song of the damsel is an artistic creation. Number 80. The poet characterizes the chasm as dash. The answer is savage. The poet characterizes the chasm as savage. Number 81. A woman wailing for her dash. The answer is demon lover. Number 82. Waves a circle round him. How many times the waves was circled round? The answer is thrice. Thrice the wave was circled round him. Number 83. 5 miles meandering with a dash. The answer is mazy motion. 5 miles meandering with a mazy motion. So this is the end of the second video. I will give more information like this in the third video. And that third video would be displayed on the end screen of this video. Thank you. Hope to see you in the next video.